I was really like
throwing me under the bus to strangers for a good laugh.
I'm always kidding. I was really admiring the elf with the tree on top. So I'm like, oh, it's Mike's 2 favorite things. We should just get it and do it ourselves. I was like, no, it's $100.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
It is your 2 favorite things, and it would be a wonderful. What are you doing?
Let's go!
Right, what are you doing? Oh my god, no, he's coming back this lane. He has no lights on. Jesus. If we end up deciding I'm gonna roll down my window and you're fucking weaving around like a crazy person, you're gonna cause an accident and you have no lights on. Totally tell a bitch off. Just like that.
Manual recording on.
Oh my god, we just drove into another car.
Yes, I know. Mask.